The myth: all carbohydrates are bad.
Many people believe that all carbs are unhealthy and should be avoided. This idea has become popular due to diet trends and misinformation. But are all carbohydrates really harmful? Let's explore the truth behind this common myth and find out if you really need to cut out all carbs from your diet.
Understanding carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates are one of the main sources of energy for our bodies. They come in many forms, including sugars, starches, and fiber. While some carbs are found in processed foods, others are present in whole, natural foods. Not all carbs have the same effect on health, and distinguishing between types is important.
Simple versus complex carbohydrates.
There are two main types of carbohydrates, simple and complex. Simple carbs are found in sugary drinks, candy, and processed snacks. They are quickly digested and can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Complex carbs, like those in whole grains, beans, and vegetables, digest more slowly and provide lasting energy along with important nutrients.
The role of healthy carbs.
Complex carbohydrates offer a range of health benefits. They provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are important for digestion, heart health, and energy levels. Foods like brown rice, oats, quinoa, and fruits support a balanced diet and help prevent disease. Eating these kinds of carbs in moderation can be part of a healthy lifestyle.
Busting the myth.
Not all carbs are created equal, and not all are bad for you. Cutting out all carbohydrates can mean missing out on essential nutrients. The key is to choose whole, minimally processed carbs instead of refined or sugary options. With the right choices, carbohydrates can play an important role in your overall well-being.